Kikoff builds credit through small reported credit activity inside its system, while Self-Lender builds credit using installment loan accounts with structured monthly payments, reported to credit bureaus. By the end, you'll know how each one builds credit, which one tends to work faster in practice, and which option fits different credit situations. Start with Kikoff. Kikoff gives you a small credit line that only works inside its platform. You make payments on that balance, and those payments get reported to credit bureaus. Now, explain what that means. It creates ongoing credit activity based on consistent payment behavior. That activity can help build or strengthen a thin credit file over time. Now move to Self-Lender. Self-Lender works like an installment loan. You make fixed monthly payments over a set period, and those payments are reported to credit bureaus. Now explain what that means. Installment loans are a standard part of credit reports, so this type of account can look more traditional to lenders. Now compare speed of impact. Kikoff can start reporting activity quickly because setup is simple and focused on credit reporting. Self-Lender usually takes longer to show meaningful impact because it relies on consistent monthly payment history over time. Now explain the key difference in structure. Kikoff is more flexible and simplified, with a focus on generating credit activity through controlled usage. Self-Lender is more structured and behaves like a real loan agreement with a fixed repayment schedule. Now explain who Kikoff fits best. Kikoff is usually better for people starting from no credit history or very limited credit activity. It is designed for simplicity and fast setup. Now explain who Self-Lender fits best. Self-Lender is better for users who want to build credit using a traditional loan-style account that mirrors real lending behavior. Now explain the limitation. Neither option guarantees a specific credit score increase. Credit scores depend on overall credit history, not a single account. Now summarize the key points. Kikoff builds credit through simple reported credit activity. Self-Lender builds credit through structured installment loan payments. And Kikoff is usually faster to start, while Self-Lender is more traditional and structured over time. One practical next step. Check your current credit profile first, because beginners often start faster with Kikoff, while users wanting stronger loan-style reporting may prefer Self-Lender. If this helped, like the video, and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of credit building tools without confusion.